we go, guys. 2021 GasGas MC65. Pop the top. All right, let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, that looks sick. All right, so this is the first GasGas I've seen in this coloration. The EC250 had white number plates and a white rear fender, but this red to red scheme is sick. Of course, this has the black tank, which I like better, but I understand why you need the clear tank for off-road. I do not like these black wheels. I feel like they're garbage. Give me GasGas. Give me this bike with the red number plate, the red rear fender. Keep all the red. We want all that color, but we want silver wheels. We don't want these garbage black wheels that are gonna get scratched and they're gonna make the tire look brown after you ride it once. We want silver wheels and we want this red scheme. So we'll see what some of the other bikes look like when they come in. Of course, it's got the red front plate. This is easily the sharpest 65 out there right now, without a doubt. Man, what a sweet bike. Get this thing out of the crate, we'll get it assembled, and I'll do another walk around out in the sunlight.